Hey guys, today I got a cab high fiberglass ARE V series. It's the 09 to 14 Ford F150 with the 8-foot bed. Silver in color, so it's not too bad. Let's have some paint chips in it a little bit here on the back corner. Got a little bit, pretty decent scratch right there. And then we got a couple chips here on this back corner. The top and the top edge look good. Minor chip right there. A little bit of a scratch right there. Small chip on the corner of the window there. Really not too bad. Small chip there on the edge. Bottom edge on this side looks pretty good. Not seeing any major damage on the bottom edge. A little bit of a scratch there underneath the window. A little bit of stress cracks there at the edge of the window there, window frame, but nothing very major. Half side sliders on the side. Picture window in the front. See a little bit of that chip right there on the edge. A couple chips there on the inside edge. A little bit there on this top edge here. Where is it? There it is. And then one up here. Nothing, it's not too bad here on the front edge. One right there, other one there. A little bit of a scuff mark on the inside edge here, probably bumped the cab. Bottom edge looks good, no issues there. This side got a little bit of rub on the bottom there, I think, and then you've got one right there. There it is. Small scratch right there. It's pretty good through there. A couple of minor chips right there. Nothing much going on the top here. Looks pretty good through the top there. Small chip right there. Little tiny one right there. I don't even know if it'll show up. I'm sure it does. A couple of them right above the ARE logo. Bottom edge on this side looks pretty good. A little bit of a chip right there in the paint. And a little bit of scratch in the bottom on the trim edge there. And a little chip right there. I think we got some paint wear on the trim edge there as well. Yeah, kind of there and along this bottom edge there. Half side sliders on the side, on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Couple chips there. Right there. This has some chips there on the roof. It looks like they had like silicone or something in here. I don't really know what they had in there. Couple chips right there. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens look pretty good on this side. A little bit of a snag there at the top. Down through here looks really good. Looks like we might have a small snag there on the bottom. So that screen there. Looks good through there. This side, Yeah, we got a little bit of a spot right there in the screen. And one right there. And I think there's one more right there. That's really about it on that. So there's one up there, just seen it. There it is. That's really about it on that screen. Serial number. There it is. Oops. Was built specifically for a 2012 Ford regular cab long bed. It's a V series. UX Ingot Silver metallic is the color on that. UX Silver. There it is. Got a cab high fiberglass ARE V series. Fits the 04 to 8. I'm sorry. 09 to 14 Ford F150 8-foot bed, regular cab truck. I'm sure it's regular cab, extended cab, 8-foot bed. UX Silver is the color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us as well. Just click that link, go to our website, type in what you're looking for in the search bar, and we'll get it taken care of for you. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain model, cap, style, brand, color, what have you, we upload our used inventory onto our website and YouTube as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on that as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.